What is going on, guys? It is I, the conservative coin collector, and today I got to thinking, I have done so many videos on coins that are American and some Canadian. Mostly American and Canadian because that's my specialty, are coins from those two countries. Because one, I live in America, and I only live like an hour from Canada, so they're literally my neighbor to the north. But those are the only coins that I have covered. How about I cover some different coins? Today's video, I have 9 foreign coins. Well, at least foreign to me. These foreign coins are worth quite a bit of money. How much money? I'm not sure. But with that being said, I don't want this intro to be too long, so let's get to these 9 coins. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share, and hit that bell icon, and well, on to the video. Number 9, the 1759 Ferdinand VI 8 reals. It is a rare and valuable South American coin to have come out of the imperial era. It is the coin I had just mentioned, and it is the first year of the 8 reals. They were only made in Colombia, and there was only one available during Ferdinand's reign, making it a historically special coin. Only 15 examples survive today, and one sold in 2022 for $102,000. Number 8, the 1897 on dollar. The most expensive Chinese coin to sell thus far. This 1897 dollar was minted in Anakin. This specific coin is only one of 7 to have ever been assessed, and an extremely fine example of this provincial coin sold in 2017 for $192,000. Number 7, the 1933 George V penny, or King George V penny, or however you want to say it, George V or King George V. The British continue to rack up impressive valuable coins, with this penny being one of them. Despite being struck in circulation-ready fashion, these pennies weren't made to be circulated. Instead, they were to only be included in year sets. Only 7 are confirmed to exist, with one being stolen in 1970. In 2016, one came to auction and sold for $193,875. Number 6, the 1895 Nicholas II 10 rubles. Prior to the Russian Revolution, Nicholas II was the Tsar of Russia. And he was the last Tsar that Russia ever had before the revolution. The coin was minted in Petersburg, and it is a rare, fine example of late imperial currency. The specific coin only ran for 3 years, making it particularly hard to find. So hard, in fact, one in 2018 sold for $228,000. Number 5. The 1538 Carlos and Joanna 8 reals. These coins are linked to Spanish imperialism. They are particularly valuable for the historic significance of these coins. Just after Herman Cortez conquered Mexico in 1519, a Spanish mint was established in the country. There, they printed what are now known as Carlos and Joanna coins. They put it up between 1536 and 1571. A rare early example from 1538 sold at auction in 2006 for $373,750. Number 4, The 1936 Canadian dot cent. It is one of the most valuable Canadian coins. It's the 1936 King George V cent, but its nickname is the dot cent. Unlike the date assets, the penny was actually minted in 1937. It can identify this uncirculated coin by the noticeable dot located just under the date. One of these fine examples is one of only 3, and in 2010, one sold for $402,500. Number 4. The 1839 Queen Victoria proof 5 pound. Similar in design to the Edward VIII 5 pound, the 1839 Victoria gold proof 5 pound coin is extremely valuable in its own right. Colloquially known as Una and the Lion, there are only 400 of these minted coins today in 2020. Well, in 2020 when this article was written. One of these rare coins sold at the Heritage Auction for an impressive $690,000. That is pretty crazy. Speaking of the Edward VIII proof 5 pound, it's next on my list. It is from 1937, and it is one of the most valuable 20th century 5 pound coins ever to be minted. These proof coins are of the most exquisite mintages with extremely high relief designs, and given that Edward VIII was only king for a little over 10 months, abdicating in 1936 to marry divorcee Wallis Simpson, this small batch of coins were honoring his ascension, but they were never circulated. Though it is hard to know for sure, research shows that there are probably fewer than 10 examples of this coin in existence. One recently sold in 2021 for a whopping $2,280,000. Number 1. Numero uno. The oldest and most valuable coin on this list. Topping the list is a rare Roman coin, of which only 3 are known to exist, called the Eid Mar coin, for the Eid Mar phrase that is stamped into the reverse of the legendary Roman figure Brutus. He had these coins minted in 42 B.C. to commemorate Julius Caesar's murder. Eid Mar referring to, of course, the Ides of March. In 2020, one ancient gold coin sold for $4.2 million. But as if the historical find couldn't get any more newsworthy, in the intervening years, it was discovered to be looted and has since been repatriated to Greece where it belongs.